Welcome to solution assignment number 5 research method. We will discuss on assignment number 5 question number 1. Zoom in. Briefly discuss the steps that are involved in conducting an experiment. We will discuss the steps. Solution steps in conducting an experiment. Broadly, there are 12 steps in conducting an experiment, which are as below. We will discuss 12 steps. Make a hypothesis that is appropriate for experimental research. First step. In first step, make a hypothesis. Second step, decide about the experimental design that will test the hypothesis within practical limitation. In limitation, we will find experimental design and test. Decide how to create a situation that includes the independent variable. In third step, we will create a situation independent variable and use. Develop a valid and reliable measures of the dependent variable. In fourth step, a valid and reliable measure. Next is step 5. In 5 step, set up an experimental setting and conduct a pilot test of the treatment and dependent variable measures. In step number 6, to locate appropriate subjects or cases. To locate appropriate subjects or cases. In 7 steps, randomly assign subjects to groups and give careful instructions. In 8 steps, we will discuss gather data for the pretest measure of the dependent variable for all groups. In step 9, we will introduce the treatment to the experimental group only or to the relevant group if there are multiple experiment groups, and monitor all groups. In step 10, we will gather data for post-test measure of the dependent variable. In later step, pre-test. In step 10, post-test. In step 11, debrief the subjects by informing them of the true purpose and reasons for the experiment. Ask subjects what they thought was occurring. Step in 12, we will examine the data collected and make comparison. Compare between the different groups. Make a compare different groups. where appropriate use statistics and the graphs to determine whether or not the hypothesis is supported. Okay.